Hey, what's up guys? So today I want to show you PS1 on a PS Vita. If you're looking for the service to mod your PS Vita, check out my friend Binil. I will have a link of him in the description. And I also will have links on things you will need when you ship to him. He charged $75. He will mod your whole PSP and put anything you want in it. So I'm going to show you now the PS1 on PS Vita. So basically this is the PS Vita. This is the 3G version. Okay, this is how it looks. So the PS1, I will put this program right there. Okay, once you click on it, it will look just like that. You start it up. It has PSP games and PS1 games. Like I said in my description, there will be a link and where to get this service. I was a little skeptical, but he was really good and got it back to me quickly. So as you can see, we will go into the memory stick. It looked like the old PSP. You know, it looked like the old PSP. Okay, so you go into the memory stick, and as you can see, it has all the PS1 games. I mean, it keep on going. These are PSP games. The ones like that are PSP. Awesome. You won't even get tired. You got so many games. Now it goes back into PlayStation, as you can see. So you can't go wrong. You got every game in PlayStation or PSP. And he will tell you how to download more. Awesome service. Awesome. Everything. So I'm going to jump into Crash, because Crash was my favorite game when I was younger. Okay, Crash Bandicoot. So whatever game, any game, and he will actually, before he finished with it, he will tell you what game you want or what emulators. He put every emulator in this one. Awesome. He did an awesome job. You know, you have sound. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Love it. Can't go wrong. Excellent. Well, if you have any question at all, comment below, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.